This week on Maker's Lab, designer guns, what's in stock in the warehouse, and the importance of training.
As a technical consultant for AM.CO today, I really strongly recommend getting training. Why? It just helps you with getting to know your machine. I mean, what better way to get training with the people that use it all the time? For like myself, I got training in the beginning. If I didn't have it, it would be a ball ache and it would make my life a lot more difficult than it really is. The training is there for a reason. It's just to help you make sure that you understand your machine and know how to use it. Because if you don't, it's just not going to be fun. And we need to make this the best possible process for everyone to make sure the training helps you in every way possible.
At AM.CO.za, we like to keep our warehouses full of new and old items, because that way we make sure that there is always available stock of machines and accessories and plenty of spare parts. So keep watching to find out what has just arrived.
So someone saw the paintball video that we had done recently and they said, can I engrave on a paintball gun? Sure, I mean we could try, and we're going to. He's given me a paintball gun and he said, go my gums, we're gonna do this. So let's see what happens. So he gave me free rein for the design, so I decided to do a pattern, a mine design, which would be able to be reversible on both sides since it's circular in design. Because if you had to use any other design, you'd have to flip it and then sometimes it doesn't look too good. So this is why I chose a Mayan circular design. And I think it will be quite nice to put on this paintball gun as it's black and then the silver will be engraved out. It will be quite a nice contrast. One of the things that will go in depth into the training is, for instance, like 4 Passover and 6 Passover, something that people do not really understand. And 6 Passover would be for more ink, which means more durability, longer lasting for outdoors. 4 Passover for inside, less ink, obviously going to cost less, but minuscule in sense. Within this training, we also teach you how to properly maintain your machine so that you get the best lifespan out of it. Because no one wants to have a printer for 6 months and then the head is now broken, simply because of neglecting how to clean it and how to use it. Most of the time it is from user error, not from mechanical error. Another thing that we'll teach you on is vinyl, and which vinyl will go suitable for what, and how to print on them. Because some vinyls require 6 pass, some require 4 pass, and that's all in the training.
When it comes to printing paper, at AM.CO.za we've got all the ladies in A4 and A3 sizes, including clear, silver, sublimation, waterproof, white, super white, and probably anything that you might need. Just give sales a call to find out more.
When purchasing a machine from us, I can confidently guarantee that we have spare parts for you. Whether it's from a printhead to a pinch roller on a cutter, I can confidently say that we have enough spare parts for anything that goes wrong. Once you have purchased your machine from AM.CO.za, please make sure to book your training session. You will not regret it. So it looks really cool and I'm very happy with my results. The contrast did come out as I expected with the black of the gun and the silver of the engraving, and I really like this job. Let's see what it does.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.